it's Alyssa from Romewise. I am here at Termini Station getting ready to take the train to Naples. Naples is 1 hour from Rome. Gonna go there for a day trip, come back this evening. Gonna go see some beautiful things, eat some yummy food. When you're in Rome, if you have time for a day trip, this is a very special place to go. I'm gonna show you why. So, ready? Let's go. We have arrived at Napoli Centrale, and the first stop of the day is going to be a hot sfogliatella right out of the oven at Attanasio. Here we go.
It seems good luck's finally on my side. She pulls the sheets off of me every night.
All right, here we go.
Whispers my name, tells the sun to rise. Yeah, she brings me back to life. I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me. Carve our names into that old oak tree, buzzing with song just like the birds and the bees. Years from now we'll come back and see that we were always meant to be. I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. I swear you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey.
Now we are in an underground. A lot of Naples is underground. We are visiting something that is from the 1st century. So you can see these incredible structures. They are so well maintained and so intact. You can see it's like a whole city under here, and there are shops and warehouses. It's really amazing. So this is one of the many undergrounds in Naples that you can visit. You can't really do them all in a day trip, but you should try to do at least one. All right, we have stopped at this pizzeria. It's called Pizzeria Novecento. It was recommended to us by Claudia's cousin who lives here. It was absolutely delicious. One of the things you want to have when you're in Naples is pizza napoletana. So we have fortified ourselves and we are ready for the second half of the day before we head back home to Rome on this day trip to Naples. Let's go. And that's a wrap. We have had an amazing day here in Naples. Just like Rome and Florence, you definitely cannot see it all in one day, but you can see a lot. We are finishing the day right where we started. We started here at Attanasio with an incredible Sfogliatelle for breakfast, and we've stopped on the way back to Rome so we can take some home with us. This is an easy day trip from Rome. I really recommend it. Consider Naples if you want to do a day trip from Rome, and thanks for watching. See you guys at the next video. Ciao for now.